Hi, good day. Now, yesterday I have online trading with food giant, right? So there is a questions about how to create a enhanced movement control order EMCO letter easier because there is a need for that. Is that when the when they choose a area manager name, then the list of outlet that is responsible by the area manager name should display in the letter itself. So, as you all know that Mill Merge can do this job only on one area manager to one outlet. But here is one area manager responsible for many outlets. So how to do this in something like Word Mill Merge, right? I propose to use Excel. So let's look at it, right? So here I can choose. They depends on the list here. Okay, so you can see there's a list. So what happened is that if I choose a para, then I go for, then it will choose all the para, or there's only one item. Let's just go for Seremban then. Now Seremban, I have a few items here. Okay, so who is responsible for Seremban, right? We have potato and tomato. Okay, let's see where is potato, right? Let's just take a look. So it's if there's three Seremban here. One is potato, the other tomato. So let's just click here. So if I choose potato, right, so you can see that potato is only one. Now if I go for tomato, now if you notice that here it does already start changing, right? See there, here it already start changing. If I go for potato, only one item. But if you go for tomato, this area manager name is tomato, and then it is responsible for the following outlets. So you can see the power rate. Now you can change this to let's say I call it Claimable, right? Okay, so these are all fictitious data. Yeah? So this is the outlet name in that place, right? So then let's just change again, right? Let's go back to KL. Let's say I want to issue a EMCO letter to KL state, and then I want to choose in the KL who are the area manager. So from this list, right, you can quickly go to create the list for you. So that is banana. Now again, if I go for Kimi, we have one item. We go for butterfly, we also have one. Watermelon have one also. So there is not much. The most one is in Sango. So I go for durian, right? So there's a durian berry and so on. So that is how powerful the latest Excel tools can offer. So in the next video, I will share with you how to do this step by step. Okay, first we understand what is single criteria. Then second item is using multi criteria. Thanks for watching.